Okay, I want to give a quick introduction to the ideas behind our landscape reconstruction exercise. Here's a view of the Salt River from up near the Blue Point area. If you've done any Salt River rafting, you probably know this area, but it's just below Saguaro Lake. An idea we know is that rivers cut down, but they don't cut down steadily. They have some position of stability of their floodplain, and then over time, for climatic or tectonic or internal reasons, they may cut down and leaving that floodplain. So if we look at the kind of classic work from Professor Payway, who was one of the professors of the Geological Sciences Department here at ASU, we can see he was able to show that there was a series of terraces that recorded the progressive downcutting of the Salt River, and that there was kind of stable and then would cut down and stable and cut down. And so what he was able to show is that they were, as you went upstream, the distance between the terraces increased, and so that was an interesting problem for us to understand. You know, does that mean there's tilting, or is there a change in channel slope over time? So here around ASU, we have, this is a map from Professor Payway. So here on the left is Tempe Butte, and there's the modern floodplain, but then there is matched pair of the Lehigh Terrace and then a matched pair of the Mesa Terrace. So if we look back, that would be here and here. And at this level along the river, the Blue Point, Lehigh are matched. So our question would be, you know, if we could find these remnants of the terraces on the geologic map, we could pull the elevations from the underlying digital elevation model and basically reconstruct a landscape and then subtract the modern topography from that reconstructed topography, and that would give us a difference in elevation, which we then could attribute to erosion. And if we knew the age of the terraces, then we could compute an erosion rate. If we look up from Tempe Butte, looking toward the east, you can see the modern river, which now has the Tempetown Lake in it. But it's kind of subtle to see, but there would be a reconstructed landscape across here, and the height difference wouldn't be that large. But when we go upstream, and this will be part of the homework, we see here the river's cut down, and the same surface where ASU is downstream, the Mesa Terrace, is quite a bit higher. It's on the top of these ridges, and it reconstructs across the valley.